Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to show you guys a very quick video on the next thing that you guys are going to do, which is the second part to elimination. I call these elimination level 2 problems. But before I introduce that, I just want to make sure that you guys remember something that's really important. First of all, if I have, like, let's say 3, what do I have to add to 3 in order to get 0? And again, we're talking about those 0 pairs, right? I'm sure you know that that's probably -3, right? So if I have -2x, what do I have to add to -2x to make that 0? Well, you know that would be +2x. A couple more examples. 5y. What do I have to add to 5y in order to get 0? So you know opposites, I would have to get 5y. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to give you something a little different. Like, let's say I had, I have like 2x and then 4x. I know that when I add these up, I am not going to get 0. So what I want you to start thinking about is, how can I make them give me 0? So what I have to do is actually multiply one of these by a number so that I can get 0. So let's see here. Right now, I know that if I add them, I'm going to get 6x. But I don't want 6x. I want to get 0. This is my goal. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and multiply one of these by a number. I think a good number to multiply this by would be -2. If I multiply this by -2, what is that going to give me? -4x. And this one down here is 4x. Now what happens when I add these together? What am I going to get? 0. And that's exactly what I want. Okay, so let's try another one. Say now that I gave you -x and 2x. Now you're going to ask yourself the same question. Again, if I were to add these up, I'm not going to get 0. You want to get 0. So what are you going to do? You have to multiply one of them. I'm probably going to multiply the smallest one because that would probably make the most sense. So if I multiply -x, well, what do I need? What do I need it to be, first of all? This is 2x. What does that have to be in order for it to be 0? You know that this has to be -2x. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this by 2, and let's see what happens. 2 times -x, -2x. And then this one down here stays as 2x. Let's see what happens when I add these up. I got 0. Do you guys see what I'm doing? So this is the skill that's probably the hardest thing to do when you guys are working these problems. I need you to watch this video, and then I want you to post a response to the next discussion question that I'm about to give you, okay? And then attempt to practice problems. All right, guys, take care.